Hey, would you like to know how to turn your Instagram into cash printing machine? I accidentally came across this method and I've been using it ever since. And it's turned my Instagram into literally cash printing machine because most of my leads and my sales come from my Instagram. If you've never watched any of my videos, hi, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they can attract their ideal prospects to them, spend less time on social media and create a lifestyle that they love. If that sounds like something that you're also interested in, consider subscribing to this channel because here every single week I share a new episode helping you with growing your business. So if you're still here, this probably sounds intriguing and you're probably wondering, how am I doing this? How did I turn my Instagram into this amazing cash printing machine, right? So what I used to do, I used to do what everyone else like in network marketing was really doing. I used to cold market prospect after I ran out of people to talk to, after I ran out of my friends and family, right? That's what I used to do. I used to follow 80-20 rule with my postings. I wasn't always posting about my business or my products. I was posting about lifestyle and other things. But what I found is that I was constantly in these conversations. I was constantly on social media. I have a busy life. I don't do full marketing full time. And I actually don't want to do full-time network marketing. I want to be able to work my business in a few hours per day and have fun and do things that I love and not to be addicted like I have a job with network marketing, or maybe even worse, because how many hours do you normally spend on your network marketing business if you're really working it? That is something that I did for a long time, and then after a while I saw people online that were doing things a little bit differently and they had life, and that's what I wanted. So a year ago I came across attraction marketing bootcamp, and that literally changed everything for me. I had so many aha moments, and some of the strategies I learned from that bootcamp and further on with my training and coaching, I implemented into my Instagram strategy, and it worked. Within 30 days I saw tremendous difference. Even though I was never really on the platform, I was never growing that as my primary platform. So a mentor of mine just said recently to me is, think about what are you using each of your platforms for. So what is your end goal? What are you trying for people to do? What is your end goal with them? And then I realized my Instagram is not, my end goal is not to have gazillions of conversations. Because just imagine if I have hundreds of conversations per day with prospecting and following up and sending all these random messages to people's inboxes, and doing that on maybe Instagram, maybe Facebook, maybe another platform, you name it, LinkedIn, or I don't know how you do it, Clubhouse, I don't use that, TikTok, whatever. So, you would spend all of your days in the messenger, manually sorting people. And that's what network marketers are teaching. But this is not what I wanted to do. This is not what I'm using my Instagram for. I'm using my Instagram to get most of my leads and my sales. And I'm going to share with you exact steps on how I am doing that. I literally turned my Instagram into cash printing machine, but I do not spend more than 30 minutes on my Instagram every day. So if that sounds like something you would like to do, follow me for the steps. So I'm here outside making this video and there's AC blasting, so I hope you can hear me better. And I'm trying to be loud so you guys can hear me. All right, so let's go into my 5-step strategy. Number 1, you gotta be very clear with what you put in your bio. So your Instagram bio needs to be about who you help, how you help them, and not about who you are. People were used to be interested, are you a dog mom? Are you a mom? Are you this? Are you that? They don't care anymore. All they care is when they look at you, if you can help them, how you can help them, or otherwise they're gonna scroll on. Everybody is about me nowadays, and they don't wanna see that in your bio. So have a really clear bio on who you help and how you help them. Okay, number 2 is have what I call a freebie funnel inside of your bio. So have something that you're pointing people to. So a freebie funnel is something that you give for free, and in return they give you their contact. I have it a funnel where they gave me their email address, and then I can follow up via email. But some of the people do it differently. I prefer it that way because it's all automatic. It's all automatic. I know there's like different ways to do it with messenger chat, with text messages, but this is what I do. So have something like of value that you can give them, that they can opt in, and you get their contact information in return. Okay? Number 3 is and your Linktree, like whatever the links you're using in your bio. I use Linktree. There's lots of different ones that you can use. I suggest not having more than like 2, maximum 3 things that they can opt in for. Maybe have like your social media channels where they can go to, but not like, you know, that they can buy 10 different products or like sign up for 10 different like trainings or whatever, because if they have too many choices, they're not going to do anything. So my primarily goal is to get people to join my free attraction marketing bootcamp, and that's my first link in the bio, and that's where I get most of my leads and my sales from. So I make sure that my bio is not cluttered. My Linktree just has like few things in there. Hope that makes sense. All right, number 3 is your Instagram highlights. So highlights are those little circles that come underneath your bio, and I just recently updated those. And you never know, like when people are checking out when they're checking out your profile, when they see like a follow request, I send follow requests. I don't necessarily get into conversations unless they start it first, but like, of course, you know, when you send follow, they're gonna start checking you out. So those little highlights is where they're gonna be checking you out. So I have created one that is who am I created one work with me, I created one about my YouTube channel, I created one about my blog. So every single highlight they can go, it's from my stories. So I first created the story sequence, and then I saved it into my highlights, because you know that your stories are only there for 24 hours and you always have to come up with all these new stories. But now that I have this, you know, I have like about YouTube, why I love YouTube and all of that stuff. So and then I have a link for them to go to my YouTube, to sign up to my YouTube channel. When I have work with me, I have where to go to take a quiz to work with me. If they click on who am I, it leads them to my boot camp in the end. I believe so. Yeah, I think so. So anyway, so this is like my story. I have to check on that. I just recently did them. Then I have like travel, I have my family, you know, I have like different highlights that they can check me out. So they learn about you before they even start scrolling down your timeline. So they learn about you from your highlights, from your bio, from your Linktree, from your profile photo, and that's it. So these are really, really important. And then number 4 is post only to your niche, to your target market. So who is that? You know, like you gotta pick who your target market is, who is the most beneficial from your product, for your services, for your business, for your company. And you gotta pick one. You know, is that moms? Is that people who like this or that? You know, you gotta pick who you're gonna be sending your message to. And in Instagram, you don't want to be really, you know, talk one day about weather, the next day about your kids, the third day about your dog. Nobody cares. You know, they only care what's in it for me. So if they follow you for a specific reason, make sure you're only posting about that. So I only post how to help network marketers grow their business using attraction marketing in all of my content on Instagram. And then number 5 is doing reels. Reels are, and like even doing like every single post, you gotta have call to action. So here's what's different from what I'm doing and what I'm teaching you from what all the other trainers and uplines are going to teach you is, have your CTA, ask them to comment with the heart, ask them to share, ask them to save, ask them to send you a message, ask them. All of those are amazing, but let's go to the beginning. You know, when I was asked by my mentor, what are you primarily using Instagram for? I don't want to be going in there asking messages. I have a freebie funnel that takes people who are qualified, who are interested already into my inbox, in my email inbox, that is all automated as well. The emails come to them on automation. I don't want to be sorting people through the messages. I actually talk to only pre-qualified people who are already in my email inbox. I hope that makes sense. So that's why my call to actions in all of my reels, in all of my content, when I make them, are to go check links in my bio. Go check links in my bio. They can sign up and they become my lead. They become a sale after that. So hope that makes sense. If you like this, you will definitely actually like my attraction marketing bootcamp, because in there it shows you how to do the attraction marketing the right way, how you can attract your ideal prospect so you don't waste time talking to everybody but talking only to your perfect prospect. So somewhere around this video, probably in the description of this video, you will find the link so you can actually sign up for that bootcamp. And smash that like button if you like this video. Consider subscribing so you never miss any of my other videos on this channel. And I have a question for you. So the question of the week is, how do you use your Instagram? I would love to know. I answer to every comment. I'm looking forward to seeing them in here. And until next week, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.